Okay, so we have a Gretsch here waiting to do some fret leveling. After checking with the fret rocker, I found out that the first 3 frets or the first 4 frets of the first and second string has a bit of buzzing. Yeah, so I proceeded with that with the client's confirmation. So watch out for the whole video. Okay, we got a Gretsch G54222TG. So basically, what is needed is the fret level more to this side on the first 2 strings. So there's a bit of buzzing there. So let's try it first. Totally dead here. Sounds okay. So the lay of the neck is straight at this moment. Maybe I'm gonna add a bit of relief, but high likely I will need to fret level from here on, from the first to the fifth. But right now it's a bit spread out. Most likely I need to fret level all the way until 12th fret, because after 12th fret it starts to clear up. So from here to here. Okay, so stay tuned. I'm gonna fret level this. Hopefully it works. Well, that's the plan. Okay, I've done the fret leveling. These are still on the old strings, so managed to clear up a lot of the notes lah. So this is the test. fingers, plucking using fingers. Just now I use pick, so it's a bit sharp. Now I use the fingers. Okay, so pretty much is okay. It's way better than previously. The lay of the neck, no relief, maybe slight relief, very slight, almost perfectly straight. Then on the first, it's actually 1 mm, so this is actually very ideal. Treble side also 1 mm, quite comfortable. Other than that, notes all clear. Okay, these are old strings by the way, so it should be a bit tighter in terms of sound, a bit more cleaner when I use new strings. Yeah, so I will proceed with the rest of the parts. Bye bye. Okay, so if you need my help, you can contact me via WhatsApp 84189951. I hope to see you soon. Take care, bye.